This is the brief on mastering flashcards for vocabulary. Flashcards are this incredibly effective portable tool that basically turns learning new words into a fast, interactive game. First, let's talk science. The process relies on active recall and spaced repetition. Spaced repetition reminds you of a word right before you're going to forget it, making that memory long-term. Active recall? Think of it like mental weightlifting. Just reading a vocab list is like watching someone else lift weights, but flipping that card forces your brain to do the heavy lifting. Second is the setup. Seriously, why write down 50 obscure words you'll never use when 10 real-world words will actually stick? Pick 10 to 15 words a week you actually hear in conversations or movies. Whether you use paper or apps like Quizlet, Anki, or Memrise, keep it focused. English word on the front, and on the back, drop the definition, an example sentence, and the part of speech. Finally, the daily routine. Practice for just 10 to 15 minutes a day. Say the word aloud, guess the meaning before flipping, and use it in a sentence. Keep it fresh. Group themes, color code, add emojis, or try reverse cards. And definitely shuffle often. It's exactly like taking a different route to work, so your brain doesn't run on autopilot and memorize the card order instead of the actual words. By combining a smart setup with daily active recall, you can flip your way to fluency in just minutes a day.